No? Councilor Luigi Rubiano, good morning, sir. Of course, our DENR Metropolitan Environmental Office Director Rodelina De Villa. Morning, ma'am. And to a partner, a colleague, and a very respectable leader, Sir Glenn Ang. Sir, good morning. At sa lahat ng Pasayenyos, lahat ng siklista, lahat na nandito ngayon, magandang umaga and happy National Bicycle Day. It is inspiring to see so many cyclists today, pati ang kanilang mga pamilya, advocates, at lahat ng communities gathered together here with one mission. And that is to create a safer, greener, and more bike-friendly Philippines. At SM, we believe that mobility is freedom. And today, that freedom is powered not by fuel, but by people. Everyday heroes who choose to bike to work, to school, to errands, or simply to connect with their communities. Dahil sa SM, kayo ang tunay na SM bike-friendly champions. This year, mas pinlakas pa natin ang support for active mobility across the malls. We continue to enhance our bike racks, repair stations, and bike lanes, safety signages, and end-of-trip facilities. We are also gathering real data through programs like Bilang Siklista to better understand kung paano namin kayo mapaglilingkuran through our bike facilities. Lahat ito ay bahagi ng commitment namin sa SM to create spaces that are more accessible, inclusive, and sustainable. Of course, National Bicycle Day is all about bayanihan. Today, we ride together not just for fun, but for a healthier future, a cleaner environment, a resilient community, and the Philippines where people, a Pasay city where people can move safely and confidently, whether on two wheels or 2 feet. We also thank our partners, mobility advocates, cycling groups, of course, to Pasay LGU. Mayor Emmy, maraming salamat for doing this with us every year. At lahat tayo ay sana ma-excite, ma-motivate, at ma-inspire sa araw na ito. Because everyone's presence mean everything to us. As we pedal forward, let's keep building a movement that inspires others to join. A movement proving that small, everyday choices can spark big, positive changes. Together, let's keep moving forward toward a future that's safe, inclusive, and sustainable for all. Maraming salamat and happy National Bicycle Day.